Hello everyone. In this session, I'll directly jump with the exercise number 6 here, which is a bit complex. Let us see how we need to deal with this particular exercise. It's quite important actually. So I'll go ahead with this. It's already in news, so I'll make it this one. Let me start with the sketching with the right plane here. First thing is I'll draw the center line. Actually, not needed. First thing is I'll simply draw a line which is needed first. Okay, I'll define the dimension for this first because it takes too much once you're dealing with the parametric design. Better to define everything now itself. Okay, this is done. 6. Now I can go ahead with the remaining dimensions. So from here to here, here, here. This is also okay. Up to here is fine. You can pan up. Then you can choose again the same tool. Now this side I won't draw it first because that will make you get confused. I'll draw the reference here, not at the center, and I'll define the distance from this to this particular stuff as 3. Okay, and now I'll add the dimension from here to this particular location is same again 3. I don't want to do it. So let's draw the circles here which is needed. It should be at the center. Again same here. Okay, and dimensions from here to here it should be 2. Okay, once you're done with this, these 2 is needed. That should be also 2, and this should be 3, and here it should be 1. It is already defined, and here also it should be 1. Okay, anyway this is 2, not an issue. This is 1. So the first stuff is done. We are almost done with this. You can use the delete segment to remove the unnecessary extra portion between these 2. Okay, and then start with this side. I need a line from this point up to here, the same reference. I'll close it. Circle. From the center. Okay, first you can go ahead with the delete segment. Okay, I'll use the dimension to define the same. There should be 1. I think it is taking radius now. It shouldn't be. It should be That's fine. The radius is what I needed there. Okay, but here something is wrong. These two should be coincident. I can select this point and this point, make it coincident. I can coincident these 2 points. And again dimension from here to here it should be 3. That's done. But actually the correct one, no, that shouldn't be 3, that should be 2 again. So this is okay, not an issue. But from here to this edge it should be 2. This should be okay. That's done. Let me cross check with these dimensions. So this is again 3. I believe remaining everything is same, not an issue. Next thing is I need to define the center rectangle, which is essential actually. Add it. So instead of drawing this one, I'll go ahead with the center, because as it start from the center, that is better. The dimensions I don't know, so I can take it from here. This should be 3. And the distance should be 1 mm, I believe. So the total should be 3 plus 3, 6, 9. This is 4, 2 plus 1 plus 1. I think so. This is 1. Okay, we can take this as 1. So from here to here, then 4.5, I believe. 2 circles this side needed, not an issue. Can click on OK and you can extrude it, but I need the contour selection. Go the contours. First I'll extrude this one. That is 1 in the sense everywhere 1. So 5. So I'll define 5 mm. Okay. And again we can go ahead with the contour selection. There is a slight mistake. I could correct it later. Green check. But this should be edited. Actually this should be 1. This is fine. On this face again I need to do the sketch. You can simply hide everything. can select geometry, can change its selection there, and I can sketch on it. Here I can draw the same. First thing is I need the center. So here you won't get it. This is fine. Center has been snapped. Center rectangle would fit here. Before that, I do need to define the circles to create the ellipse structure. You can go ahead with this one. Delete corners. You can even select it, you can even trim it. Quite good tool, we can say. So now the dimensions of this is radius is 1.5 in the sense 3 mm. So you can directly define the dimension only. For this, the dimension is 1.5. The center distance, did he specified? Yes, it is 5 or 6 he has specified. I think it's 6. Tangent from here to here. I think it is not. Yep, this is the same. And now on these center points, I need to define the circles of 1.5 diameter. Just select the center circle at the same. .5 is the dia. So radius it has taken. So you can just mention 1.5 by 2 will be the required thing. Green check. Sketch region. There should be, and even this. I think I can hold the control and select the multiple one. Yes, extrude up to 1 mm. Enough. Green check. Okay, this is how this structure will look like. This is fine. Finally I just need to apply the fillet at this region. Fillet radius is 0.5. Can select the round fillet from here. Can select from here and here. Can define the value. 0.5 is the value. Okay. Yep. That's all about this particular session. Thank you. Stay tuned.